Welcome back to Autoscope. Mitsubishi Motorhome 2026, a blend of comfort, dependability, and cutting-edge technology. Platform: Mitsubishi's proven commercial platform, a light-duty car or van chassis that has been significantly adapted for motorhome use, is most likely to be used in its construction. Engine: Mitsubishi is likely to offer a range of engine options, including a cost-effective diesel engine using the newest common rail technology for optimal performance and lower emissions. Drivetrain: rear-wheel drive or WD is the norm, but all-wheel drive for WD is an option for people who plan to go farther or face more challenging road conditions. Exterior design that is both practical and aerodynamic shape. Aerodynamics will be prioritized in the external design to reduce air resistance and boost fuel efficiency. Materials: lightweight and long-lasting composite materials will be employed more and more to reduce overall weight and boost efficiency. Body panels will most likely be made of materials that can withstand corrosion and harsh weather. Illumination: dynamic turn signals, a sleek and conspicuous taillight system, and headlights with adaptive driving beam ADB will all be incorporated into the all-LED external illumination. Access and storage: the main entry will have a basic manual or electric ladder. Camping equipment can be stored in a number of outdoor storage areas of different sizes. A luxurious, flexible, and cutting-edge interior arrangement. The inside will be designed with an ingenious and flexible arrangement to maximize the available space. A variety of configuration choices, including fold-down beds, convertible beds, and permanent bed sections, will most likely be offered. Finishes and materials: high-quality materials are used, such as visually appealing tabletops and counters, as well as durable and easily cleaned upholstery. Beds: a variety of sleeping options, including a fixed queen-size bed in the upper or rear cabin, will be offered depending on the layout.